In this video, we will be discussing the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of Samsung Galaxy. After 2 years of research and development, Samsung developed its first mobile phone in 1988, and it was the first mobile phone to be designed and manufactured in Korea. Since 2009, Android has powered Samsung mobile device, and Samsung Galaxy now comprises of a series of computing and mobile devices that are designed, manufactured, and marketed by Samsung Electronics. Starting with the strengths. Samsung has strong brand recognition and reputation globally, as Samsung is a well-known and respected brand in the smartphone industry. Samsung was recognized by Interbrand, a global brand consultancy, as one of the top 5 in the best global brands in 2022. Samsung also has a wide range of products, as the Galaxy line includes a variety of smartphones at different price points and with different features, allowing Samsung to appeal to a wide range of consumers. Samsung has created strong partnerships with major carriers and retailers across the global market, which helps them to increase their product reach and availability. Samsung conducts global business operation, as they have factories in several countries across the globe, maintaining a single quality standard across all of its factories. Now, let's move on to the weaknesses. Samsung does have a dependence on the smartphone market, as Samsung's revenue are heavily reliant on the success of its smartphone products, which leaves it vulnerable to changes in the market. Samsung also faces intense competition in the global market, as the smartphone market is highly competitive, with many other major brands vying for market share. Some of Samsung's competitors include Apple, Google, Sony, Motorola, Huawei, OnePlus, and Nokia, though Apple, based on their sales and distribution, would be their most direct competitor. Samsung has faced lawsuits over patent infringements in the past, which can be costly and time-consuming to resolve. For example, Seoul sued the Korean tech giant in East Texas in 2019, arguing Samsung's Galaxy smartphones and other products infringed its display patents. Next, let's talk about the opportunities. Samsung has seen growth in emerging markets, such as India and China, as they are experiencing rapid growth in smartphone adoption, which provides an opportunity for Samsung to increase its sales in these regions. Samsung has also found opportunities in expansion into new product categories, such as through the development of smart home devices or other connected products which leverage the Samsung brand and work with their connected devices. Samsung also has the option to explore partnerships and collaboration opportunities to forge partnerships and collaborations with other companies to expand its reach and offer new products and services. In the past, Samsung has collaborated with major tech giants such as Cisco to enable an intelligent and unified experience of WebEx solutions across Samsung mobile devices. Samsung has also formed strategic alliance with Microsoft to provide professionals with leading technology to work from anywhere and at any time by integrating the best of the company's hardware, software, solutions, and services. Finally, let's discuss the threats. As an established brand, Samsung faces the prospects of changes in consumer preferences. For example, Fairphone is creating phones for the socially conscious by looking into environment and social justice when manufacturing smartphones to ethically produce their phones. Another threat is the fact that the smartphone market is constantly evolving, and changes in consumer preferences, such as a shift towards different operating systems or form factors, could impact Samsung's sales. Samsung also faces competition from new entrants, fueled by falling costs of technology, and the growth of new marketplaces has opened up opportunities for new blood to challenge the status quo with new innovations, software, and prices. The smartphone market is constantly attracting new entrants, which could increase the competition for Samsung globally, requiring them to rethink their expansion strategies. Samsung also has a heavy dependence on suppliers, as Samsung relies on a network of suppliers for components and raw materials, which could be disrupted by supply chain issues or price fluctuations. This concludes our SWOT analysis. Please let us know in the comments if you have any questions about the SWOT analysis for Samsung Galaxy.